up? What up? It's your boy Train the Trader back in it for another trade recap on Monday. What's today's day? Y'all know I ain't got my stuff together. 6/15, 15th of June, Monday. We're trading IWM. Today was an annoying day. I'm gonna just start with this. I really wasn't in the mood to do this video because I was kind of annoyed with the day, but here I am doing it anyway. Uh, Showing y'all what I was doing, what I was looking at, why I was looking at it. So we traded IWM right off the bat. We caught some early failure in the market after a gap up. So higher time frame over here on my right screen. Y'all can see we gapped up overnight off of the positive news about the Strait of Hormuz opening, however you say it. Gapped up on positive news, so we got a positive catalyst, and then of course early on in the day we come down trying to balance out this move. And so this red line right here is Friday's highs. This orange line down here, obviously Friday lows. So we've got a big range coming into the day. Prepared for weakness, I understand that. So my mentality coming into this day, as we see this approaching this previous day high, is to see if it's going to hold. So what I'm looking at is puts to see if we're going to hold this line right here, yesterday's highs. So I'm looking at puts on the failure of this line, this price level right here at 295.80-ish. And so my entry comes right at 916. So I enter 916, which is this retest right in here of previous day high failure. Okay. Got my entry. Saw a little bit of green in this. And then got stopped out right about here. So obviously my target was this gap fill from the previous day. And so target would be the gap fill down here at 293. Didn't get it. Instead, decided to get a little bullish, taking me out right back here, right below my entry.
Some old bush.
So then my mentality switched based off of this reclaim and this retest of the level and hold. I caught a call entry right here. And these were for the 296 calls. So right at the money, right just out of the money, actually. With the anticipation of, okay, hey, it's holding this level. Let's see if it's going to go retest where it came from and continue the trend. Well, that didn't work out either. They actually faked me out because I got to add in right here with the anticipation, or actually with this break and with the idea that it was going to break this next. And we just failed that, stopping me out right here below the previous day high, same level we've been messing with this morning.
Some old bush.
And so we got that stop out, and I was like, okay, I see it's holding. So I took one last trade, and just with a really tight stop, which was this wick low. So a reclaim candle right here of the same level that we've been dealing with. Trying to see if we're going to get any sort of movement because we kept holding. I waited. Was pretty patient about my entry. I got what I was looking for, so I fired the gun. And we just didn't have it today. Stopped out right here at this wick low, completing my day. So
some old bush.
3 trades, 3 losses. This is what it looks like as a non-profitable trader in the market trying to make it work. But we keep fighting it. All my entries, I'm not mad at my game plan. My game plan was sound. It's just it didn't work, you know. So we entered kind of this chop zone, and that seems like what the market's going to do to finish out the day. It could possibly get weak, but I don't really care at this point because my ideas did not play out. And so just the positive, I'll pat myself on the back about this. I took some really low risk. All my trades were low risk. The surprise to the day is I actually ended the day pretty green, with 3 losing trades because of good old Nvidia. So on my last video, um, I don't know if I mentioned it or not. I may not have, but I was eyeballing Nvidia while it was holding this 203, 205 level. So I got in some 207.5s on Friday. And thanks to that good news that we got a nice pop. So I took profit right here at this point. So it was a really good sell. Net me about $230. So I actually ended the day green almost $100. Even with, and it's really just because all these trades that I took today were extremely low risk, and I did that on purpose just because I knew the market, may show a little bit of signs of weakness or pullback, and we're in a just confusing area and zone of price, being really close to all-time highs, but also gapping up into it. So kept it low risk. Glad I did. Game plans didn't work out, but that's okay. We stay green. We come back, and we find a way to win tomorrow. And that's what it is. So that's my trades. That's why I did what I did. Hope you like what you heard. If you didn't, too bad, because they were my trades, so you don't even have to worry about it. Yeah, man. We just keep striking. Keep the same game plan. Keep your risk low. Keep your stop losses. Your stop losses. Respect your own stops. That's really the name of the game. 3 trades wrong, and to only be wrong for about $100. That's not bad trading today. It's really not. On a day like today, that's not bad trading. Because one good trade tomorrow can make up for everything that I lost today and then some. And that's the mentality that you have to have. Just keep striking, keep waiting for your setups, trade your setups, manage your risk, and live to fight another day. That's really what it's all about. So, hope y'all like what you got out of it. Hope you learned something. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Man, I need some more likes on my videos. Even for my homies that watch these, I know y'all watching because you tell me you watch. Hit a damn thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? I would appreciate it. All this game I be giving for free, it's worth a thumbs up. I think it's free game. So, yeah, boy, Train this trader. I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace, love, profits. Later.